Today we'll be seeing about a database management system, data mining, Unit-V. So the data mining contains introduction to data mining, knowledge discovery process, data mining task, functionality, technique, application and future trends. Introduction to data mining. Data mining is the process of discovering hidden patterns, correlations and useful information from large volumes of data. It lies an intersection of database, artificial intelligence and statistics, often called knowledge discovery in database. Why data mining? Data is growing rapidly. Banking, e-commerce, healthcare, IoT. Manual analysis is impossible. Data mining helps in decision making, forecasting, fraud detection, customer profiling. Knowledge discovery in database process, KDD process. The process of extracting knowledge involves multiple steps. First is data cleaning, removes noise and missing values. Data integration combines the data from multiple sources. Network selection, data selection, choose the relevant data for the analysis. Data transformation, convert into the suitable format. Apply algorithms, data mining algorithms, and identify useful knowledge, and then visualize and reporting. These are the steps used in the data mining. Types of data mining task: descriptive task, predictive task. Goal of descriptive task: describe the patterns in the data. Clustering customer by purchase behavior. Goal is to predict unknown or future values. Predictive analysis predicts the loan default, stock price forecast. Functionalities: classification, assigning items to predefined classes. Here the class label will be acting as an important in classification. Based on the class labels you are classifying the informations. Example: spam or non-spam mails, valid or invalid credit card are the examples. Clustering, grouping similar items without class labels. Examples are k-means algorithm, k-medoids algorithms. In k-means algorithm you will be grouping the item based on the mean value. Nearest to the mean values are grouped, and similarly in k-medoids algorithm also grouping will be done based on the medoid value, but the medoid will change. Association rule mining, it is used to find co-occurrence relationships. If customer buys bread, there is a 80% chance that he can buy the butter also, so that it can increase the sales of the supermarket ultimately. So it leads to profit. So when you apply the association rule mining. And familiar algorithms used are a priori algorithms and FP-tree algorithms for association rule mining. Regression predicts continuous values, house price predictions. Anomaly detection, identify unusual data, fraud detections. Outliers, this is also called as an outliers. When you clustering, when you are grouping the information, there may be some data which is outside the group, that is called as an outliers, which does not fit to any group. This is called as an outliers. So for that a separate thing called as an anomaly detection is done, so we can easily identify the fraud. Summarization generates compact description of the data set. Data mining techniques, decision tree comes under classification and prediction. Neural networks for complex pattern recognitions. K-means clustering, it is used to group similar data points based on the mean values. A priori algorithm for association rule mining. FP-tree is also association rule mining for finding out the co-occurrence patterns. When A occurs, you can easily find out the B also, related B pattern also. Even in network also you can apply that. Naive-Bayes probability based classification. With the help of naive-Bayes classification you can identify the whether the situation tomorrow there will be a rain or not. Similarly tomorrow the condition, based on the condition of weather and all those things, whether the football match can happen tomorrow or not, like that. Examples for the naive-Bayes classification. Support vector machines for classification task. So with the help of support vector machine, mainly used in the image for classifying the informations. Data mining, business market examples. You can see business market basket and association rule can be applied. That is called market basket analysis to increase the supermarket profit. Similarly, CRM, customer relationship management, sales forecasting, the example for the business. Banking and finance, credit scoring, fraud detection, risk analysis. Healthcare, disease prediction, patient record analysis. Education, student performance prediction, dropout analysis. Telecom, customer chunk prediction, call pattern analysis. Government crime analysis, e-governance, census data. These are the examples of data mining, where you can apply data mining and you can identify the knowledge. That the knowledge will be the output, you can identify the knowledge. It is not actually the data, it is actually the knowledge. Data analytics, big data analytics, mine larger data, unstructured data set. So other than data mining, so today most popular are big data analytics, web and social media mining, sentimental analysis, recommendation systems, and then text and multimedia mining, extracting patterns from text, image and videos, AI integration, using deep learning for smarter mining, real-time mining, live analysis for fraud detection and IoT data. Thank you.